Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take a screenshot by easy touch option in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Then go to shortcuts and accessibility. Shortcuts and accessibility here. Here you will find easy touch. Just turn on easy touch here so that you will have easy touch ball. This is easy touch ball. Just if you click on that, you will find here screenshot icon. Just click here to take a screenshot. See, first go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. I would like to take a screenshot from this Google search page. So to take screenshot by easy touch, just click on that easy touch ball here and click on the screenshot icon there. See, so in this way you can easily take a screenshot using easy touch option in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.